I've been looking on some forums, and this is the Diatone GT-M3 in a plus configuration. And I'm seeing people say that you can't put a RunCam Split Mini into it, and I wanted to show you how I did it. I just used the 25mm screws. You can use any uninverted UART to do the controls for the camera. I've got a full-size Unify Pro that actually fits perfectly right in here. And then I've got the TBS Nano Crossfire Receiver, and that actually fits exactly right there. I just used that silicone fusion tape and wrapped this with the antenna coming out here, strain relief, and then if you take and you use the bolt to go all the way through the stack, you can just use that nut as a spacer, and then you take these and use them to lift the cage off. You could probably, if you were careful, you could probably just do it with one spacer. I'm using two. One would be better, but I've got too many wires coming through here and I have to reroute it, so that's the way I did it anyway. And this craft, actually I've got some problem with the flight controller, so I'm gonna have to replace that. But the camera works and it fits, and I put a nice 1000 microfarad capacitor on there, and then I take the power from the camera straight off the capacitor. It gives me a lot cleaner video, but I mount the camera upside down, so you have to do the image flip once you install it. But thanks for watching, I appreciate it. It's pretty amazing to be able to put HD on a 3-inch, and the 1080-60 looks pretty good out of this camera. I've got another one posted with the Baby Hawk R that has the 1080-60 on it, so if you want to see what the video looks like, it's on that. Alright, thanks for watching.